like the content on our YouTube channel, please subscribe, hit the like button, turn on the notifications, and we will keep the content coming. Right now you're looking at a 2020 BMW 750i Xi all-wheel drive. This vehicle is a vehicle that we repaired. It was previously a freshwater flood damage vehicle. This is the finished product. We're just waiting on some plastic engine pieces here from the dealership. They're on back order. As you can see, the engine compartment is clean. No rust, no corrosion. Very nice. Do a quick walk around. Exterior of the vehicle is very nice. Got a panoramic roof. Heads-up display. We do offer financing on our vehicles that we rebuilt. Great rates. We do it at a great bank. You have to have good credit. The body's very clean. Vehicle runs great. Got the rear power shades. Plenty of leg room. Really nice inside. Split sunroof, panoramic. Rear climate control. It's got a host of other options. Yeah, rear power shade. Take a look inside. We go through these vehicles that were damaged by water with a fine-tooth comb. We spend a lot of time on them. We clean them, we sanitize them, we clean all the contacts. We dry everything. We check for corrosion, rust. If there's any, we remove it and clean it completely. You have the opportunity to own this vehicle for 25 to 35% off retail. It'll be on the website soon. Thanks for watching.